Kaseva Bharti Meghalaya Hakasi Balang Mandakateo, Kalano Sinyang Kasantaligi oxygen concentrator, Ars Pataligi oximeter, but South Pataligi PPE kit, Shakatanar Koikakya, Junkasor Karjala. Habakra Miklapatai Kubor, Mentri Katanar Koikakya, Junkasor Karjala, by Elhek, Ulairo Eganikaseng. Kublala ban Ijerab Ru Shikitu Kilongi and Kibadan Kame Kajerab, Hakibenta Kibaper Pair Junkajala Meghalaya. Hakabe day bagajing Tika, Ubaheg Ulong Badang Kibriu. Kibarang ting lani kiba arta tien bani shimya Tika, hindre ulapan kan mau hang ni, ya kajingong, bau blay wirap tangi kitu kiberap iradi. Kumta Kyntu Nongialam Shnongban Lam Lynti, ban aiman siyemi kiwede, ban shimya Tika.
Still, when they talk about the vaccination, they said, no, I don't want to go for given the vaccination. And if the leader, like the member of Darbar SHNONG, like the headman of the Darbar SHNONG, Secretary SHNONG, they themselves, they are scared to say that they don't want to go for the vaccination, they don't want to go for tests if they are the high-risk factor carrier. If they don't go for the test, they don't go for the vaccination, how you will tell to the other people to go for the vaccination and to go for the test? So we have to lead from our side first. First, we have to lead from myself. Then we can tell the others how to follow. If we cannot lead by ourselves, we cannot tell others to follow. So this is my request to all of you. We cannot be complacent. Doctor rightly has said, we cannot be complacent. Just COVID-19 is still there. After it is now, I'm not saying it is declining. I'm just saying that sometimes it is fluctuating. Sometimes it is flattening, sometimes it is increasing, sometimes it is declining. But still, we have not won the battle against the COVID-19. It is our duty and responsibility to each one of you to ensure that the safety of my first individual, the safety of my family, safety of our friends and our neighbors is our duty and our responsibility. We should take this responsibility in ourselves. So that's why we appeal to all of you. Sebavarati, they have given a lot of awareness. They are going to reach out to all the houses, to all the villages, to all the rural areas to make people understand how important it is to give the vaccination, how important it is to go for the test. Test also is very important.